Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to clean AirPods Pro case. To clean the case, use a soft dry lint-free cloth for the outside. If necessary, dampen the cloth with nitrochloride. Make sure not to get any liquid in the charging ports. You can remove debris from the lightning connector with a dry, clean, soft bristled brush. If the inside of the cover needs to be cleaned, you can use a soft toothbrush dipped in nitrochloride. Do not clean the case of any abrasive materials. Or you can cut a piece of tape. Apply the tape directly on the dirty area. Repeat the process if needed.